This,
Barilis.
what is it, darling?
Barilis.
Bariles. Tuna fish, darling. Is that right? You okay?
Big tuna fish.
You want me to do that for you?
No, okay.
You okay? Look. Annie is using her chopping board and her new knife. Oh, look at that. Don't interrupt the chef while she's cooking. So we have Annie's favorite vegetable over here. What is this, darling?
Kamote.
Camote. The leaf.
Of
It's the leaf of the camotes.
kamote is the sweet potato.
Sweet potato leaf. So we're going to have this today. In the blue bag, it's a surprise. The surprise is I don't know what's in the bag. It's vegetables, Annie said. And then we have some pork ribs over here. So this has been delivered by one of Annie's friends. She placed the order last night on Facebook and it arrived this morning. So yes, we're going to have some lunch, but I'm not going to get in Annie's way because I'll only upset her, and that orange knife could end up inside my body and I will have to go to Davao Doc. Is this mulunggay, darling, or is this pak chai? Pak choy, or pak chai. This is a big bag. We have some avocado. Oh, look, the mangoes here. I took out the fridge last night. I'm going to chop those up today and have them with some rice. Oh, look. So this is my porridge, or my lugao that I had this morning. And the rice is being cooked. I'm being told V60, darling?
V160?
V160 is the best rice. But every time I go out, I don't see a number. All I see is 47 peso a kilo or 45 peso a kilo. But next time I will ask for V160 rice.
V160 or Sabetano?
Oh, Sabetano? Oh,
Sambagita.
Sambagita. Oh, Sambagita, Sambagita. Has a nice aromatic flavor. There we go. So I'm going to let Antoinette get further down the road, and then we'll come back and do another little bit, and then you will see it all on the table around another hour away. Oh, look at that. Oh, look.
I just said the small bottle. I don't know why they have that.
That's a small bottle, darling. And that's a small bottle as well, yeah?
Guess what it is?
It's vinegar, darling.
Uh-huh.
Vinegar.
My favorite.
The favorite. So we have ginger, coconut vinegar, calamansi,
I put all here.
potatoes. Oh, look. So Antoinette has been hiding all the food in the fridge. There we go. She's ordered online. We have potatoes, corn, ginger, bell pepper. Oh, look. She's chopped up the meat, and that's behind my ice creams in there. So this one's here. There are 4 plastic containers with the ribs. So we're going to have some ribs and fish, and we have some vegetables. Oh, look. Morales, tuna fish.
Fish. I wash with lemon or lime.
You wash with lime.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Get rid of the smell.
Get rid of the smell of the fish. Gives it a little bit of more acidity. Nice texture when you eat, darling. Oh, very nice. The rice is in the rice cooker and it's been moved to this little pot. And the little pot. That's okay, darling. Why don't you use the green cellophane? Because then the green cellophane isn't wet. There we go, Antoinette. One thing I've noticed about Antoinette is when she orders online, she forgets how big it's going to be when it arrives.
I know, right?
So she gets very, very stressed when there are 2 big bags. So At least she hasn't asked me to go and buy a new fridge yet. And the one that's twice the size. No, there we go. Just the cooker. She keeps going on about this cooker. Oh dear me.
So I have to put other stuff.
Yeah, she wants to cook. She wants to cook other stuff. But she makes beautiful soup. Really, really nice soup.
So I'm gonna get ready for something I'm going to use.
Okay, darling. I will leave you in peace. So, Antoinette has prepared the meat and the fish. She has marinated the fish in a bit of calamari because we're going to have that for lunch. Now she's tidying up. She's putting away what she doesn't want. She's cleaning up now. She's giving a tidy up so she can work again. And she's going to do the next bit. So I'm gonna help out. I don't know what I would do. I know what I would do, darling. I will put on my sunglasses. There we go. I will leave you in peace and I will wear my sunglasses. Oh, why am I wearing my sunglasses indoors? I don't know.
The whole bits of the rice.
Oh, there we go. So, kusu, to get rid of the rice. Okay. I will come back in a minute and let's see what Antoinette is surprising us with on today's Home Cooking with Antoinette. Home Cooking with Antoinette. Now, we did do a video of this a couple of weeks ago, and I did say that Antoinette was open for bookings up to 200 people. So she does absolutely beautiful food. So anybody wants to book Antoinette for cooking in the Davao region, we can go cooking. I will do the washing up. Antoinette will be the boss for the day. She won't get those horrible faces for you. She'll have the smiley like that. Okay? Hello. Oh, camotes leaves. Would you like a hand, darling?
No.
Okay. Here we go. There we go. A kiss for the cook. Oh, darling, looks very nice, huh? Later. Is that the chili?
Yeah.
Oh, we have to take the chili out, guys. Otherwise, my bottom gets so hot, I can turn around and light cigarettes with it. Oh, look at that, nice and colourful.
Mine is all the greeny leaf.
Yours is all green, darling?
I like the greeny.
You like the greeny? Oh. There we go. So we have borealis, which is tuna fish. We will have the vegetables. We will have some of the stock, the broth. We will have some of the rice. I have to be very careful what we do with this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I need to make sure that the water from the lid doesn't go into the rice.
Yeah.
I got told off the other day for doing that. So I am learning. The towels in the background are drying.
I have my lots of greeny.
Lots of greeny. As you can gather, Antoinette is concentrating on the cooking, not on the camera. She gets very shy of the camera because she thinks she talks like a mouse.
I do.
Darling, I'm going to get the chairs. I'm going to put the chairs over here.
Yeah. It's already inside.
It's inside, darling. There we go.
Is it for you?
It's one chair. The reason we're not eating on the balcony is it's very, very hot outside, but I have to move. Well, I have to get rid of this green. Somebody doesn't like me having the green here, so I'm going to put some bamboo through here and I'm going to put a couple of hanging baskets on here, so it has nothing else to do with anybody else. Oh look. Hello Ming Ming, how are you? Are you waiting for some tuna fish?
It's not a tuna fish.
Later.
It's right here.
Later Ming Ming. There we go. So here's our little apartment. Oh, it's very nice. Let you into my world. Would you like some tongue, darling? Yeah? I'll get some tongue. It's in here somewhere. Oh, look.
Put the veggie for you just in case you don't like my vegetable.
Okay, no problems at all.
I do like this vegetable. It's my tongue. This is mine.
Tongue?
Where's your plate?
Oh, doesn't that look nice? So, we're eating at home today.
No chicken on for you.
No chicken and.
Ta-da!
There we go. Are we going to Grace, darling?
No. Grace. Thanks to all the blessings we have today.
Oh, there we go.
Sit down.
Amen.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, darling. Thank you for lunch. It's very, very nice. Guys, like, share, subscribe, click the notification button so that you know when my next video comes out. But normally it's every day, so I'm going to post a video today and a vlog today and go from there. Tomorrow I'm going to go and do something different. I'm going to go down to Martina Playa to see if I can see the second stage of the Davao Coastal Road, and let's see if I can find where I need to go. Take care, guys. Oh, look at that. So much colour. Here we go. What do we got here? Nice bit of stock. Let me think. Oh. Oh, that's lovely. Oh. Oh, very nice. Oh. Tuna fish is nice. Lemongrass is nice. Little bit of ginger, little bit of heat to the soup. Not a lot of chili. Oh, you need to leave me in peace so I can enjoy. Take care, guys. So there we go. Look at that, guys. Half my broth is gone. Tuna fish is gone. My plate is gone. I feel like baboy. The rice is very, very nice. So I don't know whether this is the 47 peso a kilo or the 44 peso a kilo. But it's 3 cups of rice to 9 cups of water. Wash it, put it through the rice cooker. I find it a bit grainy, a little bit hard. So I'm assuming that this rice is the 44 peso rice. But as Antonetta said, the L160 is the better rice to get. V160, sorry. So I will find V160 down at Bangkarahan tomorrow and I will come back and cook it. But there's the camotes leaves. Antoinette really does like this. Antoinette has had 3 plates of rice. There we go. So she's enjoying the food. There we go. There's our little kitchen. camera is struggling with this fluorescent lights. It doesn't want to put stuff into focus. So we've had a great lunch today. So Antoinette keeps asking me, did I like it? Yes, Antoinette, I like the lunch and the food. Thank you very much. Would I change anything? No, I wouldn't change anything. Very, very nice. Okay, take care, guys. There are times in life when things pack up. So the rice cooker has died. Antoinette took out the plug last night and it just fell apart. So we are going to bury this in the yard. After 6 years with Antoinette, the rice cooker has departed this world. Time for a new rice cooker for Antoinette. She likes the rice cooker so much that it's not in the cupboard, it's next to her bed. There we go, so she can get out and she can go, nice rice cooker, nice rice cooker. So there we go. So we have a nice new rice cooker because the other one exploded. So you can see it on the floor here. Yeah, it just exploded with all the rice. And we also got a little stove for Antoinette because she likes her little stove. I wanted to get an induction. Oh, look at that. Pork, potatoes, carrots, ginger. Oh, it smells beautiful. So I wanted to get an induction, but they didn't have an induction over at SM Langen or in SM Store. They just had these little funny ones. So I bought one of these. And when this goes bang, we will get an induction. But farewell, rice cooker, farewell, rice cooker. That is truly dead.